And now, as we prepare to enter this holy time together, we're going to enter into a time of meditation. So please, make yourself comfortable. And if it feels right, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Feel your feet resting on the floor, grounding and connecting with Mother Earth. Settle into the surface beneath you as your spine grows tall, your shoulders loosen, and you release any stress or anxiety. Relax and let go. Bringing your awareness inward, begin to shift your attention down from your mind and bring your awareness directly to your heart center. If you wish, you may place one or both palms on your heart center to help anchor your focus, feeling the gentle weight and warmth of your hands, as well as the rhythm of your breath. Imagine that you are breathing directly in and out through your heart, as if your chest is doing all the breathing. As you inhale, feel your heart space expand. As you exhale, feel your heart soften. Breathing in through your heart and out through your heart at a pace that feels just right for you. Continue to rest your palms on your heart space or gently return them to your lap. As you continue this deep, heart-centered breathing, bring to mind a genuine feeling of appreciation for the space you're in, for the quiet beauty and comfort of this sanctuary, for the music, the softness of the lighting, the loving energy that has been gently woven into the fabric of this space for decades. And so we honor the light and the legacy of those who have come before us and made the way, prepared the way for us to be here now. Allow this feeling of gratitude and warmth to fill your heart space. Now feel it gently expanding, filling your entire being. Now feel that energy within you begin to reach out beyond you, connecting with those around you until it fills this entire sanctuary. Feel the warmth and beauty of this collective, loving energy expanding yet again. Now spilling out through the spire above us, out into Tulsa, out into the surrounding suburbs and cities. See this love working throughout your own neighborhood and spreading like the dense fog we sometimes wake up to, until it has completely enveloped all of northeastern Oklahoma. You see, within this fog are the seeds of the peace and love you freely give from within your own heart out to all your brothers and sisters who inhabit this land with you. And now see that peace and love returning to us, bringing with it those who search, longing to know a God of unlimited love. See them coming home, seated to the left of you, to the right of you, in front of you, and behind you. And see this place called Unity of Tulsa-Midtown as a welcoming, affirming, safe haven, a harbor of love, an escape from the storms of this world. And now, slowly return your awareness to the here and now, feeling your body move ever so slightly, gently opening your eyes and allowing the music of Angela and Monty to softly return you to this present moment. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give unto you.